Oh, hey guys, Mr. Jastrzewski here, just hanging out in the Hyundai Sonata after a great day of mathematics. I wanted to share something with you. On my way home from work today, I was thinking about mathematics as usual. I was looking around my car, thinking about all the math that must have gone into the engineering of this fine Korean automobile, and then my eyes caught the dashboard display in front of me, and I was captivated. It contains so much information about my car, and furthermore, the numbers that I saw in the display could be used to find out even more about my car. Let's take a look at what I saw. On the left-hand side, we have the tachometer, which tells us how many times the engine is turning every minute. We can also see the engine temperature here. On the right-hand side, we have the familiar speedometer, which tells us how fast we're going in kilometers per hour. We can also see how much fuel is left in the car here. But it's the small display in the center that I found most interesting.
Near the top of this display, we see the range, which is simply how far I can travel on the fuel remaining in my gas tank. At this point, I can travel another 385 kilometers. Below that, we see the average fuel consumption. Right now, the average fuel consumption is 8.3 liters of gasoline for every 100 kilometers. Finally, at the bottom of the display, next to the outside temperature reading, we see the total number of kilometers that the car has traveled. As we can see, the total number of kilometers on this engine is currently 28,737. Looking once again at the fuel consumption, recall that this car uses an average of 8.3 liters for every 100 kilometers driven. Using this rate, can you determine the number of liters of gas needed for each kilometer driven? Also using this rate of 8.3 liters for every 100 kilometers, determine the number of kilometers you can drive per liter of gas. Recall that according to the car's range computation, we can travel another 385 kilometers before running out of gas. Use your previous calculations to determine how much gas is needed to travel 385 kilometers. Recall that this car has driven a total of 28,737 kilometers. Determine the number of liters of gas needed to drive this total distance. Driving past a local gas station, I noticed that the price of gas is approximately 92 cents per liter. Using a price of 92 cents per liter, in your answer from the previous question, determine approximately how much money I've spent on gas since I first bought my car.